back, everybody. As we said a little bit ago, we had a little giveaway going on for 2,000 followers on the gram, and we hit that mark. What did the folks that entered need to do to get qualified for this, Matthew? I don't remember, quite honestly.
So yeah, me either, because it seems like it was forever ago. And honestly, we're getting closer to 2,200 now because we kind of lost sight of this contest a tiny bit due to just so many things going on. So we posted this 5 weeks ago when we were on the cusp of 2,000 followers, which, is not, an incredible. We're not Kim Kardashian over here. However, as a fledgling plastics manufacturer, that's a pretty significant number for us, and we're continuing to grow. So it's very exciting, and a good shout out and thank you to everybody who engages with us on Instagram. I can't thank enough to the people. Let's just rattle off a few of my absolute favorites, right? Ben from HVAC Strong, the Impetus Plumbing and Heating, Aaron Bond, George the Plumber. I mean, we have a constant flow of amazing stuff from some of the certified hydronic designer, Hydrotech 510, that's Corey out in Northern California. I mean, it just goes on and on. Cap Plumbing, Travis is a friend of ours. I can't express my gratitude enough to all of the folks who keep it lively and fun on the Instagram stuff. There is an incredible community of installers out there. That's why we wanted to do a giveaway to celebrate this stuff. So I am going to hold this so my cards don't fall out. We're going to
use... What did they need to do to qualify?
Well, they had to send me a little cash under the table, and so
cash always helps.
I got a few envelopes with the little marks on it. No, of course, we wanted to share the post, tag us, and tag a friend in the comments or multiple entries in the comments. So we had quite a few comments on this post. I will show the the graphic here as it is. We're giving away a field kit, by the way, one of the brainchild of Mr. Mike Sakaris over there. We call it the Oh Shit Kit unofficially. We call it the field kit in places that we have to maintain a PG rating.
Is that what you're saying?
Well, I'd like to keep it PG in the catalog if we can. So
yes,
so we but the field kit, of course, contains all these parts and an inventory tracker and stuff like that. It's the kind of thing that if you have it on your truck and you're missing an adapter or an elbow, you just rummage through this amazing Uline box and you have it, right? So the Oh Shit Kit is really starting to take off because it really does augment your installations, make sure you have all the pieces that you want. So you had to post it, or rather share it to your story, tag us in that share, and then also put somebody else in the comments, right? So we had a lot of interest, and now I've got all of the entry names in this wonderful Grundfos hat that was sent to me by Joel at Grundfos. So thank you. One of our favorite pump companies. And I'm gonna shake my booty over here, and we're gonna pick out the winner of our 2,000 follower giveaway, which is kind of funny because we'll pretty soon be doing a 3,000 follower giveaway, and maybe we won't wait as long to run through it. So anyways, without further ado, the winner is,
drum roll please,
CU Mechanical. CU Mechanical.
I am not sure that I am following CU Mechanical, so I'm going to be reaching out to CU Mechanical and following them. Please follow me back. Congratulations on the victory of the field kit, emergency kit, or my favorite way of saying it, the Oh Shit Kit that you have on your truck just in case. Congratulations.